Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study fast science. Start by prioritizing core concepts and using active recall right away. I'll guide you through choosing high-yield topics, creating quick concept maps, and converting notes into retrieval practice. You'll learn how to chunk material into focused sessions, apply simple spaced review, and avoid common distractions. This method helps you study efficiently while retaining more, with practical steps. Let's dive into practical techniques that make studying faster and smarter. I'll explain how to transform notes into targeted questions for quick self-tests and how to schedule spaced repetition without overcomplicating things. We'll cover interleaving to improve problem transfer and timing sessions for maximum focus. These approaches reduce wasted time and boost retention by forcing active retrieval and varied practice, so you truly learn, not just review. Now we'll look at tools and planning to support fast science study. I'll show you how timers and sprints keep focus high, and how a compact weekly plan targets weak topics first. Pick concise resources that prioritize explanations over excess detail, and build quick concept maps to visualize relationships. With this setup, you'll spend less time lost in notes and more time practicing the ideas that matter most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.